Welcome or welcome back to my channel Embracing Life. In this channel I do videos on budgeting and cash stuffing and saving challenges. If you like such contents, then please consider subscribing to my channel and help me grow. It would mean a lot to me. So in this video I will be sharing with you some more savings challenges that are available in my shop. If you haven't watched the previous video about the saving challenges, do check that video out. I will provide the video somewhere here, or also the link will be in the description box down below. As you all know, I have opened my shop Papercuts and all these challenges are available in my shop. The link to my shop is also there in the description box below, and the name is also visible here on the screen right now. So these challenges I have designed it in the size of A4, but they are also customizable into A6 size as well. So let's directly begin with this. The first one is the 52 weeks challenge. For those of you who don't know what 52 weeks challenge is, in the 52 weeks challenge we will save 10 in multiplied by the week number for that week. For example, for week 1 we're gonna deposit 10 rupees. For week 2 we're gonna deposit 20 rupees and the total becomes 30. For week 3 we're gonna deposit 30 rupees and the total becomes 60. Likewise, we are going to deposit, and then the final sum is going to be 13,780 rupees. You can do it from the beginning to the end, or we can also do it in the reverse order from the end to the beginning. Or also another way of doing this is we can just randomly choose any particular week and put that amount into the box. So I have provided here spaces where you can check that week off. So randomly you can choose the week number and check it off as and when you are done with it. So moving on to the next challenge, we have the 50 weeks challenge. In this challenge I have considered 5 weeks for every month. So in the first month we're gonna put 100 rupees per week. So for week 1 we're gonna put 100 rupees, week 200, likewise we're gonna put 100 rupees. In the next month we're gonna put 200 rupees, in the next month 300 rupees. Like that I have increased the amount up to 1000 rupees. So if you keep on doing this, the total amount saved will be 27,500 rupees. Here you can put the start date when you are starting the challenge and also the end date to see when you have completed this challenge. So this is the 50 weeks challenge. The next challenge is the 100 envelopes challenge. In this challenge what we're gonna do is we're gonna take 100 envelopes and mark them from 1 to 100. Even if you don't use envelopes, I have provided 100 envelopes here with the markings 1 to 100. Here we're gonna pick a particular envelope, say 68, and we're gonna multiply 10 with 68 and put that amount into that envelope. Likewise, we will be doing with each of the envelopes like that, and when we complete this challenge we will be left with 50,500 rupees. This is a huge challenge and it might take a year to complete this, but if once you are completing this challenge you will be getting 50,500 rupees in the end. The next challenge is the smaller version of the 100 envelopes challenge, where instead of multiplying the envelope number with 10, we are going to deposit exactly the envelope number into the savings. So for example, for envelope number 46, we're gonna save 46 rupees into that envelope. Here we will be saving 5,050 rupees. Here also you can write the start date and the end date when you will be completing this challenge. Moving on to the next challenge is the 50,000 emergency fund. We all know emergency fund is so important in our life, especially during this COVID period. It has taught us that emergency fund is so important, yet we feel neglected towards it and we don't usually save up for that. Therefore, I know 50,000 is not a lot, not the accurate amount for emergency fund, yet this is just to help you to start building up your emergency fund. So I have taken the amount 50,000. I think that is reasonable enough. So we have got 100 envelopes of 500 each. So the total becomes 50,000 rupees. And here also I have provided the start date and the end date. This will help you to at least start the journey of building up your emergency fund. The next one is the save the 10 rupees challenge. So whenever you're gonna get a 10 rupees from the shop or anywhere, you're going to save that amount. Usually we don't give much value to a 10 rupee note, but here I am telling you to save up all the 10 rupees that you find in your purse or in your wallet, and When you are going to get a 10 rupee note, you're gonna check off one of the notes, and you will be surprised to see how much even little amount like 10 rupees can add up in the end. In the similar way, I have got save the 20 rupees challenge. It's the same as the 10 rupees challenge, and in the same save the 50 rupees challenge. Here also, as and when you get a 50 rupees note, you save it up and you color one of these boxes, and in the end you will be shocked to see how much you can save up. The next challenge is the holiday savings. Here we have chosen the rangolis as the designs. So here I have provided spaces for 3 festival names. You can choose any festival of your choice. You will write down the festival name, and I have got sections here that you will be coloring when you will put the amount. So here I have mentioned that for this design I have got 46 sections. I don't know if you can see this, but this design has 46 sections. So what you're gonna do is you will figure out the goal amount, and then you will divide that amount with 46, and the result that you're gonna get, you will write that here. So every time you put that amount in the envelope, you're gonna color up one of these sections, and in the end it's going to look beautiful, and also it will help you to save up for that festival. Moving on to the next one, we have got the self-care savings. Here also we can put the goal amount that we want to save, the start date and the ending date, and we can put whatever we want to be the amount for each of these images, and then as and when we will save that amount, we'll just color it up. Let's move on to the next one. So here we have the vacation savings challenge. I also designed a vacation savings challenge in the size of A6. This is also similar to that. We have the goal amount. We can choose what each of these icons is worth, and we will write the amount, and as and when we are done with that amount, we will be coloring it up. Again, the start date and the end date for your vacation savings. And finally, the last one is the save it up challenge. I have left this completely blank, totally customizable for you. I have got 100 boxes, and you can choose whatever goal amount you want to save it up for, and then you can divide the amount by 100 to get what each box means, and then as and when you're going to save that amount, you're going to color this down. These were all the saving challenges that are available in my shop right now. Would let me know which one you liked the most. Comment down below which one you liked the most. If you have any more suggestions, please feel free to send them out to me. I'll do my best to make them. So if you order them in the size of A4, you will be getting digital downloads, as these are difficult to ship. Those you can print them and use them over and over as long as you need. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please hit the like button and also share it with your friends so that they also start their financial journey by saving something up. Do visit my shop and let me know if you like something. My shop name is Cash Envelopes Papercuts. It's right here on the screen, and also the link will be shared in the description box down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.